Okay, here is my first attempt at doing a design for you based on what you told me, utilizing an island. Changing the appliances around so you can get the dishwasher to the left of and adjacent to the sink. So dishwasher being here, stove, obviously refrigerator. Now, if you do an island, it would be nice if this room was bigger, but this will work. You can maybe shorten the length. It's going to be kind of intimate. These chairs, usually you like to see 30 inches of space. This chair here doesn't have that 30 inches. These two chairs can. So, this is not going to be a place for Thanksgiving dinner where you're going to have 10 people or, 3 is the most I see sitting there. Because I have storage here, bank of drawers, and then I am putting in a column to hold up the countertop, and another column on the other side of the island to hold up the countertop. You can see the chairs. Refrigerator, I would suggest doing a counter depth refrigerator. This is the other refrigerator here. This is a full-size refrigerator, and it's just too deep in order to allow for this island. We have a pantry area. We have a landing area here for more storage. Again, refrigerator, small base cabinet, dishwasher, sink base, blind corner cabinet in the corner, stove, microwave over the stove, and a landing area or countertop space to the right of the stove. So this is one attempt. Now, I looked into trying to do a peninsula. A peninsula would mean the cabinetry comes off this wall instead of doing an island and then seating right here. But I don't see how that's going to happen, because then you wouldn't have room for a refrigerator. So and then the other way you can do a peninsula is over here, but you wouldn't have room for these chairs probably because this is a major walk area. So I don't see how a peninsula would work. I don't, and finding room for appliances, unless, nah. I could put the refrigerator over here, peninsula right here, but that makes the refrigerator gotta walk all the way over here to get to it, so I don't think that'll work. So I might still toy with this, but although it's I'd rather it be bigger. The area, an island would work with storage, but don't expect a lot of seating, and don't expect this seating to be it's going to be intimate seating, I would say, a little more on the intimate side. That's what I have so far.